Okay. Take two. Now, what's your name? Say your name. Say, I'm Gracie. We're going to make gingerbread cookies. We're going to make gingerbread cookies. Say we're going to use flour. I'm not saying you say we're going to use flour. Show the flour. Which one's the flour? Can you show me the flour? It's commercial, Gracie. Gracie, which one's the flour? It's the flour. That's the flour. Good. Now, which one's the baking soda? Good. Now, what are the measuring cups? Say these are measuring cups. And say this is a sister. Say this is a sister. Okay. And it's sister. Now say this is molasses. Here, don't break the egg. Here, show the molasses. Okay. Say this is ground ginger. Say this is ground ginger. Okay. And say this is brown sugar. Brown sugar. Say brown sugar. And say this is an egg. Where's the egg? Where's the egg? Oh, that's the egg, and it's the brown sugar. Okay.
I'm getting milk.
You're getting your milk? Okay, you get your milk. All right.
Water.
Huh?
I get water.
Okay. Nope. There you go. There you go. It's still in there. There you go. Okay, get back up there. Now, we need to get out our pans and our cups and our mixing bowls, don't we? And we're going to sift the flour and put everything in there, aren't we? Okay? So you ready to start baking? Okay. Say, I'm the frugal gourmet.
I'm the frugal gourmet.
And I'm going to bake ginger snaps.
I'm going to make breakfast.
Yes, you are. And say, I love Mommy and Daddy.
I love Mommy and Daddy.
I love Grandpa Jansen. I love Grandma Cantor. And I love all my aunts and uncles. And cousins. Because I'm Gracie. Say, I'm Super Gracie. Oh, we got, okay, you didn't say him. You remembered him. Say, and Spiky. Okay, well, I'm going to